Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. During the inaugural Rwanda-Zimbabwe Trade and Investment Conference, which opens today in Kigali, Rwanda, more than 90 Zimbabwean enterprises, as well as government departments and allied agencies, will court their Rwandan counterparts. As President Mnangagwa's Second Republic ramps up its economic diplomacy agenda, the event, which was organized by the country's Trade Development and Promotion Agency, ZimTrade, and its partners, is anticipated to improve bilateral trade relations between Zimbabwe and Rwanda. The Zimbabwean government and corporate delegation are led by Honourable Fredrick Shava, Minister of Foreign Affairs and International Trade, who is joined by Dr. Sekai Nzenza, Minister of Industry and Commerce, and Mangaliso Ndlovu, Minister of Environment, Climate, Tourism, and Hospitality. The conference, which will include business-to-business discussions between the private sectors of Zimbabwe and Rwanda, comes at a time when the country is broadening its export markets and products, as outlined in President Mnangagwa's National Export Strategy, which was unveiled in 2019. The Trade and Investment Conference, according to ZimTrade Chief Executive Officer Alan Majuru, was organized to study the best techniques to unlocking trade and investment potential on the continent and would develop direct networks between firms in the two countries. The conference will unlock strategic partnerships between businesses in Zimbabwe and those in Rwanda, which will go a long way in growing the nation's foreign currency earnings as well as improve investment. So, what we are doing through this program is to provide a platform where businesses can engage meaningfully and take advantage of all available opportunities, said Majuru. The conference follows the Joint Permanent Commission on Cooperation's resolution to enhance cooperation between Rwanda and Zimbabwe, which resulted in the signing of multiple memorandums of understanding in March this year to deepen bilateral relations, JPCC. The Rwanda Development Board and ZimTrade cooperation agreements were formed with the goal of promoting mutually beneficial trade between the two countries. The General Cooperation Agreement on the establishment of a JPCC, diplomatic consultations, cooperation in the field of media, information, and publicity, and coordination in legal and criminal cases are among the other agreements inked in March. The Trade and Investment Conference, which begins today, will dissect sector-specific opportunities, compliance requirements, and routes to market that will assist Zimbabwean companies land products and services in Rwanda with ease as well as attract foreign direct investment from the country. Agriculture, health, education, and manufacturing, pharmaceuticals, information communication technology, ICT, packaging, clothes and textiles, building and engineering and tourism are all industries that Zimbabwean enterprises can export. Agriculture, for example, is Rwanda's largest economic sector, accounting for over 33% of GDP, and there is room for expansion through higher productivity and value addition. Zimbabwean enterprises will be able to supply agricultural inputs, mechanization equipment, and implements as a result of this. Zimbabwean enterprises can sell building and construction products, as well as related services, to Rwanda, which is undergoing a large infrastructure development project. Furthermore, Zimbabwean service companies may leverage the country's great academic reputation and high literacy rate to export services. There are also opportunities in the education sector, with easy wins in the export of study programs and online learning. This can be compared to and modeled after current frameworks used by major online universities like the University of South Africa, which serves over 130 nations worldwide. Zimbabwe already has a sufficient pool of skilled specialists to meet these needs. Zimbabwe, for example, has the potential to export teaching services, especially in topics like English, mathematics, and science. In addition to expanding opportunities in Rwanda, local businesses can use the country as a gateway to East Africa. Rwanda is currently a hub for a fast integrating Africa, and it is a member of the East African Community Common Market and Customers Union, which has a market potential of over 132 million people due to its central location in the area. Increasing commerce with Rwanda will expand the EAC's market and, as a result, Zimbabwe's exports to the region. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.